Hello students, welcome to class. Today we're going to be looking at the comments section of this video. Can you see how many comments there are? Let's zoom in and have a look. Look at that. Looks like 910 comments. How long do you think it will take for us to go through all of these comments? Let's see how far we get. But first, let's remember the rule that unless your comment is helpful, it will be removed. If it is not written properly and makes no sense, it will be removed. If it is cruel, it will be removed. So let's get into it right now. All right, so the first comment we see here is somebody who is deliberately being cruel. And underneath, we see that some people have also responded without actually anything helpful. So we'll ban each of these. I'm going to hide these people from the channel. Boop. And the next one, hide from channel. Bye. And the next one, hide from the channel. Bye. And the last, bye. See you never. So if you would like to remain a commenter on my channel, you're going to have to write something useful and helpful, not vegan phobic. Let's keep going. Here's a comment that I wrote. Rule: watch Dominion on YouTube before commenting. It's important that you know what goes on with regard to the food that you eat before you write something stupid. Watch Dominion on YouTube. Let's see what the reply is here. Somebody wrote something completely stupid. Now, I don't know if this person is 12 years old or not, but the thing is, they might see this video and then they'll learn that this is inappropriate. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to hide this person from the channel. They can still watch the videos. They simply cannot comment anymore. Now, I wrote some comments here about B12, and this is information that everybody should know. For example, that B12 is a nutrient made by bacteria, not plants or animals. And it's essential for your brain, nerves, and making healthy blood. And why does it matter? Well, because low B12 can lead to fatigue, memory problems, nerve damage, and serious long-term health issues. It could also affect pregnancy in future generations. Where people think that B12 comes from? Well, many believe that meat naturally provides B12, but most farm animals are actually given B12 supplements. So the reality is that whether you eat animals or not, B12 often comes from supplements anyway. Vegans just take it directly instead of through an animal. So what should vegans do? Take a simple, cheap B12 supplement regularly, or consume fortified foods with B12. For example, this could be soy milk if you have it in your community. Here in Italy, we don't actually have B12 in the soy milk, but you can check. Anyway, the point is, this is important. Now, the good thing is that nobody made any stupid comments, and there is one thumbs up. So I'm going to delete this because that's not helpful at all. And then all these other people who wrote same, for real, or whatever, and me too. So let's get busy and let's ban every one of these people. Here we go. Let's hide you from the channel. You'll be able to continue to watch my videos. You just won't be able to comment anymore. The only way that you'll be able to comment is if you actually open a brand new account. That would be something that you can do. Open a brand new YouTube account and try to be more polite in the future. Goodbye. See you never. This next comment says, dude, she's forcing her family to become vegan too. But this is a lie because we can't force people in our family to be kind. All of us have people in our families who are either kind or cruel. They have their own agency. They make their own decisions. However, when it comes to small children, we do have a responsibility to force them to eat healthy foods and to not hurt animals. If we see a child in our family who is kicking a cat or stabbing a pig or trying to eat a dog or trying to eat a frog or a cow, we tell them to stop. We say that's mean. So as parents, we have a responsibility to force our children to not be cruel to animals. Now, the reason I won't delete this comment is because underneath it is an ethical vegan who responded very well. But the rest of these people, they will be banned because they did not write anything helpful. So we're going to remove this person, hide from channel, hide. This one who writes for real, not helpful at all. You guys have to learn the rules here. You must be kind and you must be helpful at all times. Here we go. Hide from channel. This one, vegans are eating animals' food. Well, that's a lie. They have their food and we have our food. Let's remove you two for saying something stupid. WTF? Not sure what this means exactly. What are you saying what the fuck to? Perhaps you're believing the comment. I don't know. But I think I'm going to get rid of this too. I won't ban you because I'll just remove your comment because maybe you honestly don't understand what's going on. This person writes FR, which stands for real. And no, it's not for real. So you're going to get banned as well. Joanne, sorry, but you have to go. Be kinder. Open a new account if you want to communicate in the future. Behind the scenes, niece held at gunpoint. Completely ridiculous. Not even funny. Let's keep going. Always the same thing. But here we have Annie who writes, she is a good vegan, holding her own family accountable for their actions. So in my video, I am reminding somebody in my family that they should stay vegan because that person ate some cheese and drank some milk and that wasn't okay. And so I'm reminding her she should go back to being vegan again. So I'm going to leave that comment because it's a good response. And then this person writes, being vegan is a choice, not a need. Well, yes, it is a choice, but it's also a need. We need to be vegan in order to be kind people on this planet. Next, this person writes, I'm going to eat whatever I want. If you forgot a period at the end of your sentence, by the way. But it's not the end of the world here because they're not two sentences. Now, of course, you can eat whatever you want when it comes to things. You can eat bread, you can eat vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds, but you can't eat whoever you want. That would be mean. Let's read what the replies are, though. Okay, same. I'll eat whatever I want. Okay, so you're going to also get banned. Goodbye. Jesus rules over. This is absolutely ridiculous. We don't believe in fairy tales. We don't believe in the Bible. Let's remove that. We believe in science and logic. This person says, I'm going to eat whatever I want. The person replied, me too. Okay, so you don't really understand veganism, that veganism is a moral duty. Responding by removing all of these, please. My life, my rule. What about the life of the animals? Did you ever think about them? Did you ever think that maybe they want to have a life and not be chopped to pieces? You lack empathy. Goodbye. Another person with the same FR again. If you're unable to write something helpful in the comments, don't come to talk at all. Person writes, same, but why be in a vegan channel? Okay, well, this part's good. Why be in a vegan channel? This person seems like they're going to get their clicks, but the comment wasn't good. I'm not going to ban that person, but I'm going to remove that comment. Let's continue to see if there's anything else good down here. Same, bruh, no, all the same. Hide. Not interested in talking to you guys if you cannot write something helpful. Do I have a point? I don't think you have a point. Wait, is this John? Is this the person who wrote the comment in the first place? No, so I'm very confused. Do you have a point? Only you know if you have a point. This is not helpful, so I'm going to remove your comment. I'm not going to ban you because you weren't cruel. So I've removed all of the comments here, so I'm just going to remove the initial one by this person, Cupcake. By the way, your name is fine as long as it says Vegan Cupcake. You can open a new account under a new name in the future. Remember to be kind and not cruel. We don't promote eating or using animals in any way here. This person writes, there's a difference between promoting veganism and forcing it. Well, once again, I'm not forcing you to be vegan. You can leave. In fact, I'm going to help you to leave. This person writes, yes, for real, she's disrespectful. And of course, it is disrespectful to hurt animals, so you're going to leave, and you're also going to leave forever. See you never. So there's a button up here, haven't responded. Let's look at that. How about baby humans, though? What will they do without milk? Let's respond here with a voice message. When a mother gives milk to her baby, it is vegan because it is not stolen. Period. It is given freely with love. Period. When we steal milk from cows, that is cruel and unethical. And it's wrong. Period. You're not a baby or a cow. It's time to drink soy milk now. Subscribe for more if you want to see me reacting to your comment.